Hi, I'm Cassandra and welcome to How to Light Your Set.
No.
What is your problem? Like, it's in focus, everything is level, what?
I can barely see your face. I showed you the tutorial on key lighting. Did you absorb anything?
It is key lighted. It's got the 3 and the...
Shh.
Shh.
Lighting without your focus in mind can draw the viewer's attention to all the wrong places and, frankly, just make you look bad. If you're having a hard time, neutral lighting like this can work fine. Just have a light source pointed at the main subject so the shadows don't fall unattractively.
There's no drama in this.
More drama can be achieved, but you should key light. 3 main light sources, one from the left, one on the right, and one behind the camera, so what the camera is pointed at is illuminated. It's also important not to get too dark or bright, so the subject is visible but not washed out, like you were. Sometimes it's interesting to work with different angles and colors. There's plenty of tutorials that'll show you how to properly do it.
How about you stop suppressing my creativity?
How about you create something good? Don't make it worse.
Sorry.
It needs to be closer. It needs to be close. Yeah, like, it's in the shot.
There?
No, it's not in the shot. Wait, no, stop going up so high. Dude, no, like, you're hitting the table and that... And I'm the dumb one. Like, come on. Like, is this plugged in?